Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the background color of your Weebly website. It's a quick, easy process. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. From there, make sure that you are logged into your Weebly account and select the website that you want to edit by clicking on Edit Site option. This will open the Weebly editor. In the Weebly editor, search for the theme option which is located at the top of the navigation bar. From there, you will be able to change the theme, change fonts as well as different theme options. And in the top of the option, you can see a black color as well as a cream color. This is the background color of your Weebly website. Once you have selected your new background color, click the Save to apply changes. That's it. Changing your background color on Weebly is that simple. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.